Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. We're here with Brandon, our navigator, and Chris, our backup navigator, and our wonderfully destroyed, blown up motor. So,
It makes two of us.
two blown motors and a smashed bumper, right?
Mine has a hole in
Not
the
really.
block.
Okay.
It's all good.
I'm gonna put a picture up, overlay, to show them how smashed your smashed bumper is.
I blew it out.
You blew it out.
Yeah.
Fine. Two blown engines and a blown out bumper. Happy?
It's not even blown out. It's good. I zip tied it.
Oh my god.
It's ready to rip.
Can we zip tie the motor?
You can always zip
Try.
tie. So
I don't know.
I got about 300 zip ties in my back bumper.
But it's fine.
So this weekend, while everybody's on vacation, I'm gonna start tearing apart the motor, but I can't get the hood off by myself. So these guys are gonna help us take the hood off, and we're gonna do an entire video series, start to finish, on pulling the motor and putting the motor back in. We're not gonna rebuild the motor ourselves because I don't have enough intelligence for that. But anyway, so Chris has got a ratchet, 12 millimeter. We need to pop the clips on our struts before we release the bolts. I'm gonna need pliers or something. And right now, half the garage is packed away in pack and goes, so kind of hood bolts. Everything's gonna be labeled with a step. We're actually gonna put numbers on it this time because some of the bags got mixed up last time and that was very stressful. Ooh. Got the pen. Got the pen. Okay. Clip and pen. Thank you, sir. Okay, so I guess you guys want me to, what do we want me to do? Stand here and look pretty, or?
Yes, look pretty much.
Okay.
As pretty as you can.
I know this has a tendency to fall towards the windshield, so. And you notice we got a tape measure because we're gonna put some very large vents in the hood. So probably gonna unfortunately have to remove the hood cowl and it'll become a wall decoration, which is sad because Brandon did so much work on it. And Chris.
Add a little bit.
This thing just makes me nervous because it's so fucking heavy. Like if I could afford a fiberglass hood, I would buy one, but they want like 800. And that's not even a cool one with vents. That's just a standard ass fucking fiberglass hood. My side's pretty loose now. This fucking thing's heavy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
We need that battery on. Mine are tight again.
I have one of mine.
They got excited and tightened up, huh? I guess for now we can just take this right over there to the floor because I got to get the hood cowl off of it.
You can use any more than 3 fingers, send them back.
Quit quoting me. You're gonna get me in trouble. Okay. Behind you. Just because I got to drill out these rivets. Fun. Just, I guess, go this way. And then, can you kick that? Yeah. Thank you, sir. And that's pretty much it for tonight's video because it's a work night and we've got other things to do. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got to take a picture with the hood off. Don't do this at home. Don't try at home, kids. You'll get hurt. Okay, now I got to get my phone out without showing my password. Got it. About to fall the fuck off of this. Okay. I think we were like about this far away ish. So what we're doing is we're using the tape measure to approximate how large a hood vents we need by doing a 50-50 overlay of the engine bay with the hood. So that should hopefully get us close enough that we can order some hood vents, and then if anything, hopefully they're just too small. And back down. So I want you guys to place bets now. How long will it take to get this back, let's say back on the street? I'm gonna go 6 months. I'm gonna bet 6 months because we're doing forged internals.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say too.
6 months, Brandon?
Because it's gonna take a while to get that motor. Especially if
We're gonna go with. Where does 6 months put you, time frame wise?
After the next race.
Well, no, but I know that.
After the next 4 races, actually, kind of screwed the whole year. Well, it's May, end of May.
November.
Next race is the end of November.
I'm gonna say it's not gonna be.
January.
Oh no.
That's where we're going.
7 months, 8 months? What is that? 8 months?
8 months.
Fuck all of you.
8 months.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back later this weekend with some taking stuff apart video. Yeah, that's gonna suck. All right.